8451. What would be the probable result if the oil system pressure relief valve should stick in the open position on a turbine engine? A. Increased oil pressure. B. Decreased oil temperature. C. Insufficient lubrication. The correct answer is C. If the oil system pressure relief valve sticks in the open position on a turbine engine, the probable result would be insufficient lubrication. The pressure relief valve is responsible for maintaining the correct oil pressure within the system. If it remains open, it would allow excessive oil flow and lower the system pressure, leading to inadequate lubrication of the engine's components. 8452. What is the primary purpose of the fuel-oil heat exchanger? A. Cool the fuel. B. Cool the oil. C. Deaerate the oil. The correct answer is B. The primary purpose of the fuel-oil heat exchanger is to cool the oil. In a fuel-oil heat exchanger, heat from the oil is transferred to the fuel, helping to cool the oil and maintain it at an optimal temperature for effective lubrication and cooling of the engine's components. 8453. What unit in an aircraft engine lubrication system is adjusted to maintain the desired system pressure? A. Oil pressure relief valve. B. Oil viscosity valve. C. Oil pump. The correct answer is A. The unit in an aircraft engine lubrication system that is adjusted to maintain the desired system pressure is the oil pressure relief valve. The oil pressure relief valve regulates the oil pressure within the system by controlling the flow of oil. When the pressure exceeds the desired level, the valve opens to allow excess oil to bypass and maintain the desired pressure. 8454. Low oil pressure can be detrimental to the internal engine components. However, high oil pressure? A. Should be limited to the engine manufacturer's recommendations. B. Has a negligible effect. C. Will not occur because of pressure losses around the bearings. The correct answer is A. While low oil pressure can be detrimental to internal engine components, high oil pressure should be limited to the engine manufacturer's recommendations. Excessively high oil pressure can cause damage to seals, gaskets, and other components. Therefore, it is important to adhere to the manufacturer's specified limits for oil pressure. 8455. What is the primary purpose of the oil breather pressurization system that is used on turbine engines? A. Prevents foaming of the oil. B. Allows aeration of the oil for better lubrication because of the air-oil mist. C. Provides a proper oil spray pattern from the main bearing oil jets. The correct answer is C. The primary purpose of the oil breather pressurization system used on turbine engines is to provide a proper oil spray pattern from the main bearing oil jets. By pressurizing the oil breather system, a positive pressure is created, ensuring a consistent and proper flow of oil to the main bearing oil jets for effective lubrication of the engine's rotating components.